Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today I am giving you top 15 must-read articles from The Hindu dated the 17th of April 2026 for banking exam aspirants in under 3 minutes. These topics are useful for IBPS PO, Clerk, SBI PO, RBI Assistant, RBI Grade B, NABARD, LIC, NIACL and all banking exams. Let us begin. Number 1. Wipro Q4 net profit declines almost 2%. Page 15, Business. Important because company results are often asked in GA section. Read Wipro quarterly result and 15,000 crore rupee buyback. Number 2. Bank earnings may see cuts on prolonged West Asia crisis. Page 15, Business. Important because oil prices affect inflation, lending rates, NPAs and bank profits. Read Banking Sector Outlook. Number 3. Government on wait and watch mode as US declines waivers on Russia and Iran crude purchases. Page 15, Business. Important because crude oil impacts rupee, inflation and current account deficit. Read Energy Imports and CAD Concept. Number 4. EU planning to include 180 more products under CBAM. Page 15, Business. Important because it can affect Indian exports and forex earnings. Read Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism. Number 5. India-Zambia critical minerals talks stall over mining rights. Page 15, Business. Important because air batteries and supply chains depend on critical minerals. Read Copper, Cobalt and Strategic Resources. Number 6. Auto sector reaches broad consensus on CAFE 3 norms. Page 15, Business. Important because green economy and industry policy are important topics. Read Fuel efficiency norms and EV transition. Number 7. Perils of selective political reporting, Tamil Nadu finances. Page 11, Text and context. Important because state finances are useful in banking awareness. Read Debt to GSDP ratio, borrowing limits and fiscal federalism. Number 8. India could limit sulfur exports as supplies tighten. Page 15, Business. Important because commodity shortages are asked in exams. Read Sulfur use in fertilizer sector. Number 9. Renault to slot India among top 3 markets. Page 15, Business. Important because FDI and manufacturing hub topics are useful. Read Automobile sector growth. Number 10. Ashok Leyland says no slack in demand in Gulf markets. Page 15, Business. Important because exports affect company growth and economy. Read Gulf market demand. Number 11. Trump announces ceasefire between Lebanon and Israel. Page 1, 12, front page, International. Important because West Asia tensions directly affect crude oil prices. Read Geopolitical impact on markets. Number 12. At least 16 killed as Russia bombards Ukraine.